In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your favorites on Roblox. So, in order for you to be able to check your favorites, you have to first favorite something inside the game. So what you want to do is once on the official Roblox.com website, you want to go over here and then find an item you would like to favorite. So for me, I'm going to go into my inventory over here and I'm going to favorite a pair of glasses, okay? I'm going to go to face, and then once I click face down here, once this loads up, there we go. I have those stylish aviators I'm going to click on, and then you have to favorite it by clicking this star icon down here on the left. Once you click that, as you can see, this has been favorited, and then the way you can see your favorites on your account is by going up here to this menu again, pressing on profile, going to those three dots up here on the right, and clicking favorites. Now your favorites are showing, and you can go inside accessories and let's say inside face, and as you can see, it shows that those stylish aviators I just favorited are on my favorites. And that's how you check your favorites inside Roblox.